How to use Mailchimp for email marketing. You can do this in just 7 simple steps. 1. Log into your Mailchimp account and navigate to the Campaigns section. Click on Create Campaign to start a new email marketing campaign. 2. Choose the type of email campaign you want to create. You can select regular email, automated, or A/B testing based on your needs. 3. Select your audience. Choose the specific list or segment that will receive your emails. You can refine your selection based on user behavior, tags, or preferences. 4. Design your email. Use Mailchimp's drag-and-drop builder to add images, text, buttons, and links. Ensure your email is visually appealing and easy to read. 5. Set up automation if needed. You can create automated email sequences like welcome emails, abandoned cart reminders, or re-engagement emails. 6. Preview and test your email. Use Mailchimp's preview tool to see how the email looks on desktop and mobile. Send a test email to yourself for final verification. 7. Schedule or send your email. Choose the best time to send your email based on audience activity. Once ready, click Send or schedule it for later.